Guys, welcome back to our channel. So far so good. We've been doing very great, very awesome, good trades on our analysis. USD card, Euro odd, Euro USD, odd JPY, that's odd yen and all. So right here, let's look at the odd USD. Someone asked me why haven't we been doing the odd USD since. So far, the odd USD seems to be doing better than the Euro USD because we had some kind of nosedives, setbacks and all on the Euro USD. But right here, we're looking at the odd USD chart, the weekly chart. Like always, guys, I like to carry out my analysis on the higher time frame. So this is what we want to achieve here. On our weekly chart, we try to get the directional bias of the market, right? And then on the daily chart, guys, we find candlestick patterns, candlestick recognition patterns and all. Then on our 4-hour chart for our entry, right? I don't personally, I don't go lower than that. And as a brand, as committed traders, we don't go lower than the 4-hour chart to get our trade reason. Why is because we also incorporate some other tactics that it's actually difficult to express that or to teach that via video here. So there are some other tactics we use to apply to get sniper entries, things like intraday, time of the day, time of trade, most active hours of different currency pairs that we're trading to get the best entry and all. But so far, basically, this is what we apply. A weekly chart for the directional bias, a daily chart for candlestick price action patterns, and then the 4-hour chart for our entry. So guys, let's dissect odd USD, right? Let's do that. It's time. Okay, I'm gonna apply this, right? Okay, and I'm also this right here, right? Fine. So let's shoot. So for the odd USD, we've been looking at this area. I've been observing this area for long. Yeah, I've been observing this area here as a demand zone. Yeah, like as a demand zone. Why the price came in here, right? The price has been trading above our moving average here, and then the price fell in. I think we took this trade sometime in July, June, July. We had several intraday positions opening and closing around this area. So we had a good feel of this trade till it got to this point, and we also took the trade here too. So the price came here, right? The price was here, right? And it came down into this demand zone. That was here. So at the demand zone here, we experienced 2 weeks of upward movement from the odd USD, right? And so far so good. One would easily say, okay, the price has been in odd USD has been in a downward trend. So it came down here, then it went up to form what, a lower high, right? And then it's supposed to come back down, like fall further, right? Fall further. But then, because of this demand zone here, perhaps there was a shift in the direction of the odd USD. Also, with the backup of some fundamental data that came in with from the NFP results, that we had. So the price came here. So from here began an upward movement. So instead of that lower high that we're seeing here that was supposed to push the price downward to a lower low, maybe to this level, and then downwards further, we actually saw this move here as the beginning of an uptrend. So the price from here started making a higher high, higher low, and move here to the higher high, right? So guys, this is what we want to see here. For the odd USD, first, it has met our first condition. Today being a Friday and the market has closed, we have here our current price as the price breaking above the moving average here. So what we expect of the odd USD is for the price to move further upwards, right? Further upwards, perhaps into this zone, into this supply zone here. So we have a very good area to take our trades from this point where the price is to at least here, giving us about 200 pips or thereabout, right? 200 pips or thereabout to the upside. Let me not waste our time to want to calculate the number of pips here, but you can see that there's a good room, right, to the upside, right? There's a good room to the upside. So let me bring this down. Let's see what happened on the daily time frame here. Okay, we still have here the, okay, fine. So let's switch to the daily time frame and see what happened around this area here. Okay, fine. So we have here on the daily time frame, you can see it very well. In fact, here it looked as if the price was forming a good double bottom, right? So when we took that trade here, we took the buy trade to the upside. We got this move here, around here, right? So this is the price action pattern on the daily chart here. This is the price action pattern. Only this here, you can see this as a hammer, and this formation, the the bearish candlestick here, the pin bar here, right? And this one also formed like a morning star formation. So this level here could be an entry. I'm looking for something good. I'm looking for this. So first off, so if you're trading this, there are a lot of candlestick patterns here. First, here could be an entry being guided by the bullish hammer here. We already know the zone. We already know the direction of the market on the weekly chart because we've established this area down here as a demand zone, right? So for price action candlestick patterns, we have here a bullish hammer. So here could be an entry, right, to enter. Then maybe we miss this. The next day here could also be an entry, confirming that we have a kind of a morning star candle formation formed here, right? So here also could be an entry, right, to catch up to till maybe the price changes at around here when you're met with an evening star formation down here, up here, right? And then the price approached this demand zone again, right, and made its way to the upward side, forming right here. Okay, forming right here. I think this what we have here is a kind of railway pattern. The kind of railway pattern, price action. People who trade price action are very familiar with this. And up here you also have this kind of pin bar too around here, right? A good pin bar, and then further move to the upside. So guys, our analysis, like we also have our analysis there. Let me go back to the weekly chart, sorry, so that we get this. Okay, so our buyers, our trading buyers for the AudUsd is bullish. It's what is bullish, and we look forward to the price to get up into the zone, into the supply. We can then decipher what the market will do next. Either it will break above this level or it will fall back down. We don't know, but we expect the AudUsd to get back into the zone, right? From where the price is now to get into the zone. There could be a pullback, right? There could be a little pullback. Let's go back to daily time frame here. There could be a little pullback to this level here, or maybe to this level. There could be a pullback, to this level. So there could be something like this. Okay. So there could be something like this, right? There could be a move like this, then further to the upside, right? There could be a move like this, right? We could have a movement like this, or we still could have it just shooting straight up into the zone. So I wouldn't want to put us in a kind of confined or fixated state of mind where we expect to see the price moving in a particular way. The price could just move further up like this, right? Or there could be a slight pullback, right? Depending, there could be a slight pullback, of like this, right? There could be a slight pullback of this sort too, and then see the price moving upwards in this manner, right? So whichever way, our sentiment for the AudUsd is that the price would go up into the zone, right? So AudUsd bullish, guys, for Millionaire Logistics. AudUsd we believe is going to be bullish. So thank you guys. With this, I think we're going to close in. I'm going to close out with this. Thank you very much.